So a common question is, when I rent my property out, who pays for what? Generally speaking, the tenant's going to cover the utility costs, and they're going to cover landscape maintenance if the property has a small, simple landscape scheme, front and backyard. If the landscape has a significant investment that might pose a risk of loss if it's not properly maintained, we suggest including landscape maintenance at the landlord's cost. HOA fees would always be paid by the landlord. Of course, the landlord would continue making their mortgage and tax payments, but generally speaking, most of the routine day-to-day stuff like light bulb changes, air filter changes, we're going to ask the tenant to take care of those and pay for those costs. If there's a pool involved, we think it's way too risky to leave that up to tenants to take care of, and most other rental properties on the market are going to include pool service, so that should be a landlord cost and factored into your budget as well. For any additional questions or to schedule a free consultation, give us a call at 480-336-2556 or fill out the Contact Us form on our website, and we'll get in contact with you as soon as possible.